Hello everyone, my name is YUCa. I'm a home cooking chef and recipe creator. Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. So today I come to Tsukiji Fish Market. This is the place that you must come when you visit Tokyo. And it used to be a big fish market. There's an indoor market and outdoor market. But indoor market area moved to Toyosu area 10 minutes from here. But still, the outdoor market is remain. Look at this. I found really cute Tsukiji area walk map. So Tsukiji Outer Market is located a short walk from either Tsukiji Shijo Station on the old subway line or Tsukiji Station on the Hibiya subway line. Nearby is the Hamarikyu Gardens, which I visited before. So today, let's discover what kind of shops they are. Okay, let's go! Tsukiji Outer Market is an area adjacent to the former Tsukiji Wholesale Market. There are several blocks of retail stores and restaurants that are crowded along narrow alleys. Here you can find freshly processed seafood as well as dried seasonings and also food-related products such as knives. The Tsukiji Outer Market is a popular place not only for international tourists but also for Japanese tourists visiting Tokyo. People who live in the neighborhood or work near the market also eat sushi for breakfast or lunch. In addition, it is a place that is trusted by Japanese involved in food such as chefs and cooks. I myself like to go there and get dried ingredients such as giant kelp and freshly grated bonito flakes. Oh, please note that the shops in the outside market open at 5 a.m. and are almost closed around noon or 2 p.m. So this is the Japanese omelette shop, and Japanese omelette is a little bit unique to make, and you have to roll many times to make Japanese omelette, so you need a patience. If you're interested in how to make Japanese omelette, please check my recipe video. You can buy freshly made omelette at the store. It may be sold out, so I recommend to go there early in the morning. ありがとうございます。So this is the Japanese omelette. Excited. Smells so good. Can you see this? So thick and fluffy. Ooh. It's not too hard. It's so sweet. Yeah. I wonder if it's a sweet or snack. As you see, my son Kengo likes it a lot. It seems he's concentrated. And this is only 100 yen, like $1. So how about fill your stomach to discover this Tsukiji Fish Market? I recommend. Then we move to another shop. And I want to order Octopus Crackers. Yeah, tickets. お願いします。はい、お願いします。はい。So he showed us the octopus coated with potato starch. あ、見えます。はい。He was so kind that he allowed me to film the video, and also it's nice to chat with him. He put 2 octopuses on the top plate and pressed them with using a heavy-looking machine. Then spin the bar many times. And please hear this sound. Oh, so huge. Then he put extra liquid to make bigger cracker. Then he spun the bar again and pressed tightly. It was so fun to see him cooking. The owner was very kind. He carefully let my son to hold crackers. So this is the octopus cracker. Originally, this came from Enoshima Islands. You can buy this taco cracker, taco senbei, at a Japanese candy shop, but this is authentic one. So authentic one, you can see the octopus here. So let's try this. It's really nice saltiness. I can taste octopus flavor. It's so thin, so it's easy to bite. The cracker was so delicious, so Kengo said thankful to the shop owner. And Suichan loved it too. Back to the street. Can you see? There is a lot of dried ingredients for Japanese cooking. Kelp, shiitake mushrooms, and bonito flakes. Even in Japanese supermarket, it's hard to get original dried bonito. Can you see the stick? The top right corner? That's a bonito. However, it takes time to grate, so people buy the bonito flakes. So no worries. This is a street scene on Saturday morning. Do you think we forget something? No worries. When you come to Tsukiji Fish Market, don't forget to try the fresh and the best sushi in town. Today, my family chose this restaurant. It's called Sushi. So let's go inside. So our plate has come. And these are otoro and engawa, squid, and pickled ginger, and natto, rolled sushi, natto, fermented soybeans, and nenegi. It's kind of vegan or vegetarian sushi, and Japanese omelette. I've never seen this shape. It's so unique, I think. So let's try tasting. I usually use this pickled ginger to put soy sauce on that sushi. Okay, itadakimasu. It naturally melts in my mouth. Then I tried nigiri sushi topped with sprout green onion. I was so shocked by the unexpected flavor and texture. This is definitely my favorite. However, try this. I like engawa a lot. I like the taste and texture of flatfish fin, so I always order. And my son likes natto and tamago, Japanese omelette. And at the end, I always eat pickled ginger. It's so sour and sugary. Thank you for watching until the end. For more information, please check my website. See you! またね!